Namaste to all the yogis. In today's world, a lot of people are facing weight gain issues, and obesity is one of the main problems we are facing in today's time. There are several factors. One of them is your poor lifestyle plus your continuous stress, and our poor eating habits cannot be ignored. In today's video, we are going to practice one very important posture for obesity and to remove stress from your lives. I am talking about boat pose. So have a look on this wonderful pose. We are going to do step by step to make it more easy for you. Sit in Sukhasana position and now open your legs in Dandasana. Your legs are well close to each other. Now slightly bend your knees and place your both palms behind your hips. Make sure palms are firmly placed on the mat. With inhale, lift your right leg up and keep it straight. Now left leg straight. Now take both of your legs slightly up. Let your body weight come on the hips and now open your arms and straight your spine. Have a smile on your face. Keep stretching your arms and legs. Stay in the position for at least 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Correct position is must. Many people are making silly mistakes which doesn't give good results. Most of the people are not keeping their spine straight, which can hurt their back. So make sure you will keep your spine straight. So please have a look first at the wrong posture and then after the right position. Once again, lift your legs up, open your arms. Now this is wrong practice. You can see how my spine is bending too much, putting extra weight on my spine as well on my hips. So it can injure your back. Make sure you will keep your back straight. Now have a look at the right position. Now you can see the great difference. Here my spine is well straight. Stay as much as you can. Relax. Boat pose offers multiple benefits to the body. It activates your pancreas gland, and that is why it helps to control your diabetes. If you are facing obesity issues, it is one of the best positions to remove fat from your body to give you a better start. If you want to get six-pack abs, so you must do boat pose because it works directly on your abdominal muscles. Boat pose boosts your confidence because it activates your Manipur chakra, which is called solar plexus. Pregnant ladies should not practice boat pose. So I hope that you must have learned this wonderful boat pose, and I will suggest you that you practice it daily because practice has no substitution. With regular practice, you can develop your personality and confidence as well.